Hi everyone and welcome back! If it's your first time here, my name is Kostis and I am a Greek Londoner who loves Eurovision. And in this video we are talking about Ukraine. Ziferblat won. Ziferblat. Ziferblat? I'm saying it wrong all the time. This time I said it correct. Ziferblat. I had previously reacted to all of the songs that competed at Vidbir 2025, and if you've seen this reaction, you know very well that Ziferblat were one of my favorites to represent Ukraine, if not my number one. And they won. I'm very happy for that. I loved the song and I can't wait to see what they did on stage. I know that it will probably change from what it will happen in the actual Eurovision stage, but it's always good to see some vision for the song, like the performers' aesthetics and their team's aesthetics, you know. And I remember Ziferblat last year at Vidbir had a great staging, so I'm very curious to see what they did this year. So let's not waste any more time and let's jump into this reaction. Ziferblat, Bird of Prey. Oh, okay, so we have backing vocalists now as well. Great, also magical. And also the singer, the main singer of Ziferblat. His presence is very intriguing. I really love his presence. Wow, wait a minute. What the hell? Wow. Already from the entrance, like this entrance is the dynamic. Wow. Can I say something? I haven't been excited. I haven't been this excited by a Eurovision song this year so far. This excites me on the inside. Like, I have been excited in different ways. I'm like, oh, I'm dancing or this or that. But this song speaks to me here, you know, and I have no idea what it's talking about. It's called Bird of Prey. What is it talking about? Please, someone let me know. Ooh. The vocals are on point. The staging is on point. The aesthetics are on point. What they're wearing is amazing. Mmm. 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 I'm happy. Oh, and I love that it has a bit of English there, so it includes us, you know, so we can understand a few things. But I also love that it's mostly in Ukrainian, which is great because that's what I personally want from Eurovision. I want to hear different languages, different instruments. This is the perfect Ukrainian entry that we could have this year. Thank you, Ukraine, for choosing this. Oh, it's so cute. He's just begging someone to like care and love him and his little bird. What's his little bird? Is it sexual? No, I'm kidding. I'm pretty sure it shouldn't be. It's called Bird of Prey, so it's not sexual, but it could be. Anyway, sorry. I'll take this back. Very good. It's very sentimental, you know? The song hits you in all of the right places. Oh, yes. And the music, it's so good. Like, my ears just love this music. This was just beautiful. And I love that the English were coming more and more. You know, it started mostly in Ukrainian with some English, then Ukrainian, then more and more English. So it starts very strongly with beautiful music and beautiful vocals and aesthetics and everything. And then it also starts to include you language-wise, and you start to understand more and more, although the lyrics are not exactly literal, because he's saying to someone to fly, and then he needs someone to care for him and his pet. So I'm not exactly sure what we're talking about, but saying to someone to fly away, like it's very, it needs courage, because I guess maybe I'm interpreting, you know what I mean, this very wrongly, but I think that, you know, when you have someone, you have to let them fly. And if they want to come back, they can come back, you know, but you have to let them fly. You have to always let them fly and choose if they want to be next to you. Is that, I don't know if we're talking about the same thing. Anyway, that's what it made me think. But in general, we're talking about a beautiful song. We're talking about beautiful staging, beautiful voices and music, which is the most important. It talks to me inside. It talks to the Ukrainian people, and that's why you people voted for it. And I'm pretty sure it will talk to European people. And from what I've heard so far in Eurovision, we now have a good number of songs to have an idea of how this Eurovision is going. I think that we're talking about winning potential here. That's where we're at, right? Like, from all of the songs that I've heard so far, I think this and one more, I'm not gonna tell you which one, what's my other reactions, but this and one more, we are talking about winning potentials right now. It's one of the two that I would have in my mind that could win as of today, in February, beginning of February. So these are my thoughts. What are yours? Let me know in the comments. If you're from Ukraine, how do you feel? Is this what you voted for? I hope it is. This is what I would have voted for if I was in Ukraine. If you're not from Ukraine, are we happy with the centers? Do you agree with me? Do we have winning potential here? Let me know in the comments. Also, like this video if you liked it, subscribe to the channel, follow me on the social media at Kostis_ESC if you want to be friends and chat about Eurovision, and see you very soon at another video. Bye!